wastegate burbling as he changes gears, disappears into kennel to you.
Yeah, Iron Price was a very, very quick driver indeed, carrying lots of pace, almost lifting up the front wheel on the turn three crossing.
That is one pace quicker than he qualified to take so far. Good run behind. Right, next on the line is Paul Howe. Paul qualified on a time of 31.88 in his phenomenally quick green and yellow Porsche 911. Rear wheel drive, loads of traction with the big rear tyres and the engine at the rear. So this car is often a sub 2 second starter. Let's see how he gets on. Second flat on the start, very quickly lead. He's in kennel to you.
Yeah, Paul Howell's coming on through kennel to what? 31.92. Let's see whether he's able to make any inroads as he enters into the S's.
Braking hard into the S's, 76, nice deep tight speeds it through bottom S. Really nice deep tight through the S's, rode it through top S. Just a really neat run this from Paul, heading up the finishing straight across the line now to record a 31.83, takes the lead of the run-off, and it's about 5/100 quicker than he qualified there. Everybody is pretty much matching, almost to the test they're matching their qualifying time.
I'm pleased he got there. I wasn't sure on the split.
Right, next on the line, it's bogged down off the line, unfortunately, for 2.33 second start. We've got work to do on the rest of the run.
Start, but when you get them hooked up, they absolutely fly. The pressure going up now to the left-hander for Essex.
Really nice and neat tidy bottom S. Dibbles the tail on the side of bottom S, right up to the left-hand side, going through top S, comes out top S right to the middle of the road. There's a 96 S approach speed, through the S up to finish, 30.96. 30.96. So that was quick, given that he dropped about 3 or 4 tenths off the line. Goes up 31, 4 tenths to qualified, that's a quick time. Right, next on the hill, we've got Wayne Penrose in the kickstart. All the way over from Australia, this car and driver, great. Off the line, 2.14 second start, disappears into your sight.
Yeah, fantastic machine. This had a bit of a
90 with miles an hour S approach speed, which is quick. Throws it out on top S, nice and easy tidy out. Top S got the power down nice and early.
He didn't have the outline speed going up into the S, but he made it up through the corners, I think.
Yeah, he was really quick through the S.
Yeah.
Really well done to Wayne. You should be very pleased with that. It takes, well, the best part of 3/4 of a second off his qualifying time. Next we've got Richard Snowsap on the line in the Cayman GT4. Just watch. Cayman drops the clutch off the line, 2.28 seconds start, he begins.
Yeah, very quick car this, and Richard Snow really knows his way up the hill, comes round through crossing, carrying plenty of pace there, keeps it to the middle of the track, through the little kink and then hard on the brakes.
Braking bottom S at 93, that is quick, nice and neat tidy into bottom S, gets right over to the left hand side until, before he chucks it through top S, uses all the road on the exit, got the power down early, heading up the finishing straight, is into the 30s, not quite. 31.57, 31.57. I did think the car bogged down slightly off the line, which maybe where the time was, and means that Wayne Penrose still leads the way on a 30.58.
Yeah, Richard will be slightly disappointed. He lost about half a second on that run.
He's 911, qualified on time of 30.87. He's already passed me. This is all-wheel drive the car.
Yes, so goes up towards crossing. He goes, carrying plenty of pace there, nice and glides through there, not soaring at the wheels, just nice and neat.
Oh, that's beautiful through the kink, wasn't it? Uses the curve on the apex of the kink, turns it to bottom S now, big stab of power between the S's, slings it through top S, doesn't at all, heads up finishing straight, completes his run, it's number 30.89, 30.89, 2/100 slower than he qualified, so basically an identical time, slots into third by my math. Behind, maybe at the second side, behind Wayne Penrose. The way still leads the way, 3 cars to go, Stephen Moore next on the line. 2.03 second start, he's with you.
Yes, so here we get as fast through, he goes past the commentary box, up towards the kink, and down on the brakes, I think, there, as he slammed it down for the effort.
He's braking bottom at 86. He is slightly up on weight at the moment, but only by a couple of tenths, and he's pretty quick through the S's, so I think this will be a quick time. Is he good enough to take the lead? Yes, 29.69. 29.69 takes the lead.
Fantastic
of
run.
the Tin Top Challenge runoff. Very quick run. Yeah, very quick.
Yeah, he was in the 30s for his qualifying run, so dipping under 30, brilliant.
He's very pleased with that. Right, next on. Dalton's past me, 1.9, 1 second start in Red Baron with you.
Yeah, fantastic car. There's huge amounts of development work gone into this. It's so well engineered. Flying his way on up the course, through the kink he goes, and he has come to a bit of a stop. Ooh.